lost wallet. One afternoon, John was walking home from the library. The sun was shining, and the street was busy with people going to work and children playing. As he crossed the park, he noticed something small lying under a bench. Curious, he bent down and picked it up. It was a wallet. John opened the wallet carefully. Inside, there was some cash, a few credit cards, and a driver's license. The name on the license was Michael Brown. John immediately thought, "This must be very important to someone. If I lost my wallet, I would be worried too." For a moment, John wondered what to do. He could easily keep the money and no one would know, but deep inside, he knew that honesty was the right choice. He decided to return the wallet to its owner. John checked the address written on the license. Luckily, it was not very far from the park. So, he walked quickly to the street mentioned. After a few minutes, he found the house. It was a small, neat house with a garden full of flowers. John knocked on the door. A middle-aged man opened it. John asked politely, "Excuse me, are you Mr. Michael Brown?" The man looked surprised. "Yes, I am. How can I help you?" John smiled and held out the wallet. "I found this in the park. Is it yours?" Michael's eyes widened. He quickly checked the wallet and said, "Oh yes, this is mine. I didn't even realize it had fallen out of my pocket. Thank you so much." John felt happy to see the man's relief. Michael invited him inside and offered him a cup of tea as a way of showing gratitude. While they sat together, Michael said, "You know, not everyone would return a lost wallet. You are very honest and kind." John replied, "I believe honesty is the best choice. If I help someone today, maybe one day someone will help me too." Michael smiled warmly and said, "That is true. People like you make the world a better place." When John finally left, he felt proud of himself. He realized that doing the right thing always brings peace to the heart. Moral of the story: honesty is a priceless quality. Even when no one is watching, doing the right thing makes you strong and respected.